A process called contact tracing. Among the reasons some of our COVID restrictions are easing up, it's done by a team of virus experts who do detective work of sorts to find out how somebody got infected with COVID in the first place and then figure out anyone they may have given it to. Bill FOLSOM looking into why it has added importance right now.
Let's be clear, COVID-19 remains in the community, but look at this chart. It shows what numbers are happening across Colorado. The upper lines are other Colorado counties. The green line, it shows El Paso County. We're showing major improvements. Contact tracing is a tool aiding the mission of preventing numbers from spiking again.
Really important for us to focus on is where we've come from and where we are today.
Data shows El Paso County with a spike of rapidly increasing cases of COVID-19 back in March. Rapid and aggressive intervention shows cases still high on the chart, but moving now in a line close to flat.
It lets us know that the virus is still here.
COVID-19 testing in El Paso County has reached a level staying ahead of demand. And that testing is a major resource for a contact tracing team with El Paso County Public Health.
Each time we are getting a report of a case, we are contacting that person to find out where they had been in the past 2 weeks before their illness.
More testing and results coming in quicker mean the contact tracing team can rapidly isolate someone who is infected. They also work to find others exposed or in contact with the patient. They also could be asked to quarantine. A small circle of social distancing is created rather than the taxing community-wide restrictions.
Really take on a difficult 14-day quarantine that really does limit you, but really does protect the people who are around you.
The tracing team went into action with members of the Bridge Club, where the first victims of COVID-19 appeared. A hot spot where people died was curbed.
All of the members of that group were so ready to assist and ready to make those personal sacrifices they needed to help us confine that particular exposure.
Contact tracing is now even more important and a COVID intervention tool in place for the long haul.
Hopefully intervene with some targeted interventions before we have spread of the virus.
The team doing contact tracing at El Paso County Public Health used to be about 8. Now it's beefed up to dozens with new hires and volunteers. Watching out for you, El Paso County. Bill FOLSOM, News 5.